Hello, good day. I am Yahweh is my God. Today, I am talking about Labubu, the viral plush toy that is popular right now. Many people are crazy about Labubu since they thought that she was cute, and there are people who would collect Labubu plush toys only because it's the latest trend. But God told me that Labubu is a cursed doll, and people who owns these dolls are in fact cursing themselves without knowing. I know that Labubu is a fictional character that is created by a Hong Kong artist, Kasing Lang. So it's supposed to be a character that doesn't exist. But God told me that many of the fictional characters in novels and comics are in fact real existing demons in real life, like Shrek.